Is your Jaguar XF key fob not working? Let's start with the most common culprits, the battery and the key fob relearn process. First, replace the battery. Most Jaguar XF fobs use a CR232 coin cell battery. Pry open the fob, a small screwdriver can help, and swap the old battery for a new one, ensuring the correct polarity. If a new battery doesn't solve the issue, you likely need to relearn or reprogram the fob. Modern Jaguars often allow Smart Relearn via the Jaguar In Control app, found under Vehicle Settings. If your model doesn't support this or the app method fails, the process involves cycling the ignition and pressing specific button sequences. Check your owner's manual for the exact steps for your XF model year, as the process can vary. Alternatively, an OBD2 scanner can assist with the relearn, but be aware that incorrect execution can lead to needing a dealer visit. If battery replacement and relearning don't fix the problem, the issue might stem from the antenna module. This module receives the signal from your key fob. It's often located under the dashboard or in the center console and can corrode, especially in humid environments or areas with road salt. Look for signs of physical damage or corrosion on the module. In some cases, a recall may cover antenna module replacements for certain Jaguar XF models, particularly 2012 to 2017 models. Contact your local Jaguar dealer to check if your vehicle is affected by recall. Also, consider that interference from other electronic devices or metal obstructions can block the key fob signal. Keep in mind that newer XF models, 2025 plus, offer enhanced diagnostics that may alert you to specific key fob issues via the dashboard. For older models, you may want to use an ODB2 scanner to scan for errors. If the problem persists after checking these points, it may be an indication of internal failure, and seek professional help.